Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest reviews and tutorials. Today, we're taking a look at the CAMVATE Quick Release NATO Rail Shoe Mount Extension Platform. This handy little accessory is a game changer for DSLR camera enthusiasts, as it enables you to easily attach and detach various accessories to your camera setup. The combination of a standard NATO rail and a shoe mount means that you can effortlessly connect LED video lights, microphones, and phone clips to your camera. The 105mm NATO rail comes with 14 and 38 thread holes for maximum versatility, while the cold shoe mount features a long 38/16 male thread, along with two 38 female thread thumb screws. Crafted from durable aluminium alloy, this extension platform is both lightweight and robust, making it the perfect addition to your camera gear. With a net weight of just 46.3 grams, it won't weigh you down on your next shoot. In the package, you'll receive the NATO safety rail with 14 and 38 thread holes, along with the shoe mount, with long 38/16 male thread and two 38 female thread thumb screws. Everything you need to take your camera rig to the next level. So, why should you consider adding the CAMVATE Quick Release NATO Rail Shoe Mount Extension Platform to your setup? Well, if you're serious about capturing high-quality content, this accessory is a game changer. It allows you to easily customize your camera rig to suit your specific needs, whether you're shooting photography or videography. If you want to take your content creation to the next level, this is the accessory for you. Don't miss out on the opportunity to enhance your camera setup and unleash your creative potential. Check out the link in the description to get your hands on the CAMVATE Quick Release NATO Rail Shoe Mount Extension Platform today. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and be sure to let us know your thoughts in the comments below. See you in the next video.